Hi friends, this is Monish from Technical Monish, and in today's video we are going to see how to apply for AWS Student Builder Group Leader, which was previously called as AWS Cloud Clubs. So if you are a student who is studying it in a university for BTech or BSc or any kind of degree, this is the right chance to become an ambassador for your college and conduct events related to AWS and cloud. So the applications are open and will be lasting till August 16th. So hurry up and fill up the forms. So watch this video on your mobile and make sure your laptop is beside you, and I'll walk throughout the application and you can easily fill out the application and you can get started and become a student builder group leader. So all you need to do is open your computer and open up a browser. So this is the browser, and before I go, I'm Monish Reddy, also known as Technical Monish, and I'm the world's youngest AWS community builder and AWS student builder group leader. And I'm 1x AWS certified and also an ex AWS student builder campus leader. So this is my Builder Center profile, and you can see that I'm a community builder as well as student builder group leader, and at the age of 19 I have achieved all this. So also one more thing is we have badges on this Builder Center, and I'm the first person to achieve all the badges of this Builder Center. And without any further delay in time, let us get into the video. So before you get into the video, I want you all to make an AWS Builder Center account. For that, all you need to have is an Gmail. So the website builder.aws.com is given in the description, so make sure to check out that link and click on sign in. Once after you click on sign in, it shows us multiple ways to sign in to our account: Google, Apple, GitHub or Amazon. Since I'm having Gmail, I'll be continuing with Google. Then I have to choose my email, and you have to choose your personalized email over there. So it's asking me for passkey. So keep your fingerprint or else your password and go through it. So once after you open an account, it shows a page like this: welcome to AWS Builder Center. And now you have to create your alias. Alias are nothing but like Instagram usernames. But in Instagram we can change the usernames, but here it is not possible. So make sure and be particular while creating your alias. Since Technical Monish is already taken, I am going with coding with Tech Moni. So this is my alias, and my profile will be like this: builder.aws.com/community/@coding with Tech Moni. Then we have to choose your country. Then click on continue. Then it asks us if you want to get any AWS latest news through our mail, and just click on continue. Then it asks, are you a student? So since I am a student and you are also a student, make sure to check this box on and choose the program. And I am doing computer science engineering, and my expected graduation is 2028 August. So then I will be clicking on continue. And once you're all done, just you can go to this page which is also given in the description, and if you like more content, if you want more content related to AWS or any technology related thing, just make sure to click on this follow button. And yeah, here are all my social links, you can check them all. And now we need to go to this application form of student builder group leader. So you'll be thinking that student builder group leader is just a national or local thing, but you can go to this Builder Center, and in the left side you can see community. There you can choose student builder groups, and this is an international recognition once if you become a student builder group leader. So here there is information about this AWS student builder groups, formerly called as AWS Cloud Clubs, are student-led communities on school campuses. So you can just search out my name, Monish, and yeah, you can see AWS Student Builder Group at Mohan Babu University, G. Monish Reddy. So you'll be having an international recognition along with this community benefits. So just click on the link which is given in the description of application and it opens a page something like this. AWS Student Builder Group Leaders application, and then click on login. So once if you have made your Builder Center account, you can able to directly log in through this application with the help of that Builder Center. And yeah, so before you get started to apply, you need to make sure that you are enrolled in a university or institution of higher education. You must have at least 12 months remaining at your institution. You must be above 18 years, and then please fill the fields exactly as asked. If you do not follow the instructions, it may affect your application result. So make sure to follow this video till the end so that you won't make your application get rejected. So first question it asks is, I certify that I am above 18. Click on yes. Then it asks, are you currently enrolled in a program of study at an education? So since we are in universities, you can click on yes. Then when will you graduate from your university? So still I have more than 12 months. So after 12 months I will be graduating. Now that it asks us the real name, the first name as written on your government ID, passport or national ID. So whatever is in your Aadhaar card or anything, you can just fill out this. G. Monish Reddy. My last name is G. Then it asks us for email address. So make sure the email address is exactly as mentioned there because you will be getting all the updates from AWS to this mail. Then it asks us for your LinkedIn profile. So my LinkedIn profile is I have a LinkedIn and I will copy link address and I will be pasting it over here. Then it asks, how familiar are you with AWS Builder Center? Since I am a professional and I have explored everything on Builder Center, I am very familiar. And if you have heard before this, you can choose somewhat familiar, or else if this is the first time you are listening about this Builder Center, you can choose not at all familiar. And then it asks, have you applied to be a SBGL before? Like it is asking, is this your first time applying or else is it your more than first time application? So since I have been applying this for the first time, choose no. Then what is your estimated graduation date? So since I will be graduating in 2028, I will be graduating in August 2028, so I am choosing it. Then it is asking which geographical region is your institution located. So we are in Asia Pacific. Then in which city or town? Since I am in Mohan Babu University, it is located in Tirupati. In which country is it located? So India. Then enter your school, college or university's name. Don't use the short forms, like don't type MBU, instead type Mohan Babu University. Then it asks, if your college has multiple campuses, which campus do you attend? So since my college has only one campus, I will be not answering this question. But if your college has more than one campus and if you go to any one of those campus, please make sure to mention it over here. Then it asks us for the address of campus. So just I will be going to this MBU address Tirupati, and I got the address here. It is located Sri Sainath Nagar, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, and the pin code is 517102. Country India. Then it asks us for the main website address of your college. So my college website is mbu.asia. So I'll be copying this and pasting it here. And then, does your institution already have an existing student builder group? So if your college already has a student builder group, you can just click on this directory page and search your college name, Mohan Babu. So since my college already has this club, it is showing here. But if your college does not, if your college name does not show up here, you can choose no, I'll be the one starting at my institution. And it is optional of AWS Academy. And then it is asking, tell us about a time you led a group, club or event in 2 to 3 sentences. So if in your college you have conducted any events or if you have led any club, you can just tell the experience about it over here. Like what was your role, the name of the group, how many people came and how many people were there, when did it happen, a link if you have, and what you are most proud of that. So I have conducted so many events, and I have conducted an hackathon with over 500 plus students participating, and I was the managing lead for that event. So I request you not to use AI and use your humanized text as much as possible. Then, how has your education prepared you to lead a student group focused on cloud technology? You can talk about classes, research, school projects, or clubs. So, all these questions, try to answer it without using AI with your own words. Whatever you feel from your heart, just type it over there, because all your applications will be read by AWS team and will be selected thoroughly. So, make sure to be genuine. So if you have an idea of cloud or any cloud technologies, you can just type over here like how your education prepared you to lead. Like if you are confident about AWS, like if you have already learned about the AWS services and all, you can just type it over there that like mastering the AWS helped me gain skills, and with that I'm able to teach many students. So whatever, how the education helped you to lead a student group focused on cloud technology. So you can talk about classes, research, school projects or clubs. And so I'll be filling out something over here. Let me copy this. So this should be between 50 to 100, 5000 characters. So something I have filled random text. And then what AWS skills do you have that can help other students learn about cloud technology? Please list any certifications you have earned, any AWS skill builder badges or AWS services you have used, and links to your project or work if applicable. So it means that if you have already worked of AWS services and have hosted any websites through EC2 or else AWS Amplify, or if you have used anything and if you are confident about using that AWS services like EC2 S3 buckets, you can just type some info over here like I'm confident on EC2 S3 buckets. And if you are not confident, try to learn something from YouTube for free, and then you can type it over here. And if you have already did any AWS certifications like certified cloud practitioner or else certified AI practitioner, you can just give the links of those here as well. And if you have any GitHub projects or else live working demos hosted on live, so you can just put the links here and tell that I have used AWS Amplify or else I have used AWS CloudFront to deploy this website and all. So that this gives the AWS recruiters to know that you are worthy and you know about AWS. Then type something here and tell us your plan for leading an AWS student builder group at your school. Write at least 500 characters, meaning maximum is 5000. So it asks us if you were chosen as AWS student builder group leader, what are the things you could do at your college. So what events you plan to host, and who you want to reach and why, and how do you use AWS services in your events or group activities. So I mainly chose this AWS student builder group because so that I can conduct more workshops, hands-on learning and hackathons, so that many students and builders come together at a place where they will be competing with each other. So write something in your own words. And again I am saying, try to avoid using AI because AI written applications are most likely to be getting rejected. So write in it their own words. It's okay to have some mistakes, it's okay to have some grammatical errors. So just go with your own character. Then, as a group leader, you must plan and run at least 6 AWS Student Builder group events and author at least 4 Builder Center articles during 12 months of this program. This includes planning, advertising, running, and reporting on each event and article. So, can you comment on this? So, Builder Center is mostly famous for writing articles. So, you can see I have authored more than 7 articles, which includes my journey of becoming a student builder group leader, getting started with Builder Center. So, you should write at least a minimum of 4 Builder Center articles and conduct 6 events, which means for every 2 months you need to conduct an event, and for every 3 months you need to author an article on Builder Center. Then click on yes, I will. Click on next. It is asking fix errors. Please enter your first name using only English letters. Okay, I guess there are no spaces allowed. So I'll be typing Monish Reddy over here. And then I'll click on next. Yeah. Now this is the main part. It is asking how did you hear about this AWS Student Builder groups. So if your friends or family referred you, you can choose this, or an academic, faculty, social media, AWS website, user group, hero, community builder, employee, the team, student builder campus leader, student builder group leader, or others. So if you are watching this video, make sure to select this AWS community builder, AWS student builder group leader, and yeah, if I'm your friend or your family, you can just choose friend or family as well. Then which group leader referred you? So myself, G Monish Reddy. And if someone told you about this program, enter their name here. Same, copy paste it over here. So remember my name, G Monish Reddy, and select AWS Student Builder Group Leader, AWS Community Builder, or friend or family. You can choose all these 3 and then click on submit. And that's it. Once after you submit this, under this my submission section, you'll be able to see your submission over here. So that's how this AWS Student Builder group application is. I hope I have gone through complete step-by-step process of filling the form. If you still have any doubts, or else if you have any queries, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn, which the link will be given in the description again. So feel free to ask me in the comment section also if you want, or else you can connect with me on LinkedIn and ask your doubts related to this AWS Student Builder group leader. So that's it for video. And yeah, if you are watching, you can see this t-shirt by AWS, and this is also a swag given by AWS Student Builder group leaders. And backside, if you can see, there is a quote saying build to build. So that's how this AWS Student Builder group works. We are built to build something new. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you guys in the upcoming next video. Till then, stay tuned by subscribing Technical Monish. Goodbye.